What's going on, guys? I just got one of the coil packs replaced on the passenger side, and because I'm only using my phone, it won't let me flip the camera around. So let's see. There it is, down there. So I didn't record it because I wanted to make sure that I was retracing the wires and making sure that I was putting, yes, and I did do one at a time, but I have a diagram on my phone that's showing, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's, don't quote me on this, but I think it's 1, 5, 3, and 6. Like I said, don't quote me on that because my memory is anyways. So I'm working on the passenger one right now. And on a side note, how are y'all doing these recordings? Like, my GoPro will only let, yeah, see, phone won't stay up. My GoPro will only let me do like 9-minute videos, and I don't know how to do all that editing stuff, so I just don't even bother and try. Let me know in the comments what kind of free editing stuff is out there, because I've looked and I can't find anything. So we will try to see if we can't get this other coil pack replaced right quick. And totally spaced. I was gonna go swing by battery exchange on my way to home from work and drove right by it. I had the spare battery in my other pickup, and just mine was going a million miles an hour because it was stuff I needed to do after work, and drove right by it. Go figure. Oh, the joys. Shoobity doop doop. These screws seem like they're a mile long.